problem number 12, and this is on page 890. In the figure above, PQST is a rectangle. So what we are given is a rectangle that looks like this, and it is named as P, Q, S and T. And URST is a square, so there is U here, so this side equal this side, U R S T. So all these sides are same, it's a square. And UT is positive integer, so I'm going to write this as X because we don't know, although I'll write here that this is positive integer. And note that whenever this kind of information is given, and particularly it's a variable, the solution can be very efficiently found by plugging in one or two integers sensibly. If the area of PQST must be more than 10, so PQST, so that area, so I'm writing here rectangle PQST should be greater than 10 and should be less than 30. That's where it should lie. So what will be one possible value of this X? That is the question. So we try to express this area in terms of variable X. So 10 greater than, so PU is given as 5, so we can find the area of PQST as 5 plus X, which is going to be this entire length, times this height, which is X, and that's our main equation that we need to consider to find X. Now consider this half. I'm directly taking X because it's given as positive integer, X is 0, then this becomes 0 and it will not work, so I have to begin with X equal to 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6 times 1 is 6. It's not greater than 10, so X equal to 1 didn't work. So X equal to 2. I put 5 plus 2, 7 times 2, 14, and it works. So it's greater than 10 and less than 30. X equal to 3. 3 plus 5, 8 times 3, 24. Greater than 10, less than 30, works. X equal to 4. 9 times 4 is 36. It's greater than 10 but not less than 30, so this doesn't work, and we don't need to test any further because it's not going to work. So X equal to 2 and 3 will be the solution, and that's how you can immediately and efficiently come to correct solution without actually solving the equation. Now consider scenario, if you have calculator and you thought that this was quadratic and you went ahead and did it by quadratic method, and you can see how difficult it's going to be. So our first part would be then 5 plus X times X, and that is 10, 5X plus X square, so 0, X square plus 5X minus 10. Now this really doesn't have easy to factorize factors, so this will get you stuck in a calculator calculation and further analysis for unnecessarily longer time. What happens here, same thing will happen to this other half. So pick this method whenever the information is like the variable involves positive integers. So that's going to be the answer.